Is your old credit card still lurking in your Apple ID settings, potentially getting charged for things you no longer want? Today we are ensuring your payment security by removing the card from your iPhone. First, locate and tap the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It's usually represented by a gray gear icon. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. This opens your Apple ID settings. On the Apple ID screen, find and tap on Payment and Shipping. It might take a moment to load as it retrieves your saved payment information. Now you should see the credit card you want to remove listed. Tap the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. A red minus icon will appear next to your card. Tap on that red minus icon. Then tap Remove to confirm that you wish to delete the entered credit card from your Apple ID. And that's it. Your credit card has now been successfully removed from your Apple ID payment and shipping settings. You can confirm it's gone by checking that no payment method is listed here. Consider adding a new, up-to-date card if you still need to make purchases. Now enjoy the improved security on your iPhone when making purchases. Subscribe for more iPhone security videos.